Hi everyone, my name is Celeste. Happy 4th of July. To start, I would like to work with those who are incarcerated for various reasons. Some reasons that interest me highly are parents that don't pay child support. It sounds kind of weird, but I don't know, just something that I would like to, go more in depth as to why they landed themselves there. Also, other ones that I am intrigued by are DUIs and those who harm other individuals in a physical way. I feel like that there's a lot of mental health behind those reasons, and I'd be curious to further discuss those details with the incarcerated person. Unfortunately, I don't have any background in the criminal justice system. I work as a nursing assistant since I finished undergrad. I just kept that job because it works well with my school schedule and is very flexible, so that I'm sad to say. I wish I did have more experience. I do want to say, as a social worker, I feel that they're a huge asset to those who are incarcerated after their time is served, in helping them with social and economic factors in life. For instance, I feel that setting them up with programs after being discharged from prison are important. For instance, if they need one-to-one counseling, if they want to go to any family sessions to, get themselves to feel like they're part of the family again if they did have issues in that nature during their time. Also, if they need help getting a job, I feel that as a social worker in a prison, we can help them get a job and line up interviews upon discharge. Also, another field that I feel like as a social worker we can help someone who is incarcerated in is getting any benefits that they may need as far as housing, medical assistance, food stamps, anything like that. I feel like it would be our job to help them be ready to go back out into society. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.